Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This session focuses on the objectives, syllabus, and learning activities in whole language method. I hope and expect by the end of this session you would have some understanding of the objectives of whole language method, and you would also have some knowledge of the nature of the syllabus and the type of activities that are used in it. At the outset, I would talk about the objectives of whole language method, or WLM, to focus on real and natural events rather than on specifically or specially written stories that do not relate to the student's experience. This is one of the major objectives. So, natural real-life events are more focused than the specially designed materials or stories. This is one of the objectives. Another objective is enable the readers, the learners, to have the reading of real texts of high interest, particularly of literature. Yet another objective is to promote reading for the sake of comprehension and for a real purpose. This real purpose runs as a thread through all the objectives of whole language method, I would say. Another objective is to enable writing for a real audience and not simply to practice writing skills. Again, locating writing in the real context and contextualizing it by putting it into the real life-like situations is one of the major objectives of whole language method when it comes to improve the writing skills of the learners comes. Promoting writing as a process through which learners explore and discover meaning. So exploring the meanings and making the meanings, the process of meaning making takes place through the process of writing. As far as the nature of the syllabus is concerned, the use of student-produced texts rather than teacher-generated text or any other generated texts is found in whole language method because, again, what is believed in is that the teachers are at the center of this whole activity, and what they are more interested in and what they can relate to and what they find more linked to with their real lives is more important. Also, when it comes to the syllabus, integration of reading, writing, and other skills takes place. Student-centered learning, as I said earlier, is an important aspect of the syllabus of whole language method. Students have choice over what they read and write. They can pick what they want to be brought to the class for reading or writing activities, giving them power and understanding of their world, because the social context is very important for the creation of knowledge according to the whole language method. Reading and writing in partnership with other learners, not only the co-learners in the classroom, but also partnership and collaboration with the teacher is another significant feature of the syllabus of WLM. As far as the activities of whole language method are concerned, well, they provide a kind of encouragement of risk-taking and exploration to the learners. And they show a kind of acceptance of errors as signs of learning rather than as signs of failure.